Restoration of Haflong Lanka Road continues. Restoration of Haflong Lanka Road communication is continuing by constructing a bypass road from Sontila to Chotowafu via Bakhorma and Shillong Silchar Road. Sontila to Chotowafu portion of Haflong Lanka Road was badly affected due to heavy rain and landslides from May 15th and 16th. At least 20 to 25 locations were damaged and 15 locations were heavily damaged, forcing the people to travel on foot. From Gunjung to Chotowafu, there were also damages but cleared up to Chotowafu with the initiative of executive members Shri Nojit Kemprai and Shri Debojit Batari. To connect Gunjung with Haflong, a survey is being constructed from Sontila to Chotowafu via Bakhorma and SS Road as expected to be completed very soon. From Diungbra Tinyali to lower Haflong portion of Haflong Lanka Road was awarded for construction under Assam Mala project.
पैदल और उसके बाद में गुंजुंग बाजार से छोटवाफू तक ऑटो में आया। उसके बाद में वहाँ से पैदल मार के अभी जुनू पार करा फैस रूट ओवरऑल का आशीर्वाद से।
क्या क्या देखा
आने में तो रास्ता तो बहुत खराब है, मेजर है, बहुत खराब है। जो छोटवाफू बाजार से पूरा आने के बाद में पूरा ब्लॉक है अभी। और क्या क्या अभी गोवा बागान ये सब भी टूटा है, सेगुन बागान भी सब गिर गया गुरुवारी आसपास में, और बड़ा बड़ा गाछी भी गिरा है, पार करके आया। अभी
कितना किलोमीटर होगा?
अभी यहाँ से कम हम लोग छोटो में 11 में छोटो पैदल मार के अभी 12 1.5 घंटा लग गया।
4-5 किलोमीटर
4-5 तो हो जाएगा, 5-6 ऐसा होगा। थैंक यू।
Mention may be made here that the Haflong Lanka Road, one of the oldest roads of the district, has been playing a pivotal role for socio-economic development of the people living in the area. Moreover, the Haflong Lanka Road is only a means of communication for the people of this area. People are of the opinion that right from Thajuwari to Sontila, there have been many locations which are badly affected, which would require some time to restore.